Again, at this time, you should have a mass for number 3 and a mass for number 4. Subtract them to get your mass for number 5. Subtract them to get your mass for number 5.
On number 6?
I'm not talking about number 6 yet. Hold on. Gentlemen, go back to your seats, please.
Can I go down?
No, let me finish talking about the page, Garrett. The page, the whole page. Subtract them to get to number 5. Then, if you read number 6, it says that you're supposed to use the grams from number 5
Let's go my pencil.
and find how many molecules of chalk were on your drawing. So, the number that is your answer to number 5. Stop. Your answer to number 5 is how many grams of chalk are on your paper. We're going to calculate how many molecules are on your paper. So if you're using grams and molecules, how many fractions are you going to need? 3 fractions. Okay? Your answer to number 5 is going to go on top. Your answer to number 5 is going to be your given that goes on top. That's a number of grams.
And the answer to number 2 goes...
No, I'm not done with the page, so no.
Wait, Miss Arson.
Hold on. Cameron, wait. I will get there. Wait. Okay, if you have grams on top, where else do grams go?
Bottom.
On the bottom, what goes up must come down. Okay. That uses grams twice. We're done with grams. What do we use now? Switch to moles. Moles have to go in the middle. From yellow, you can only go from yellow to green. You can't go from yellow to blue. And if you have moles on top, again, what goes up must come down. Moles have to come down here. Okay? That uses moles twice, so next we need to switch to molecules. That's the only one we have left.
Number 7.
Okay, what number always goes next to moles? 1. For molecules, molecules are blue. When it's blue, you use 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And then grams come from the periodic table. Now, we already did that for chalk up in number 2. We already used the periodic table to find grams for chalk in number 2. So this number that was our answer to number 2, that's what's going to be our grams down here. Now, you're going to have to put that into your calculator and solve it. Every group's going to get a different number of molecules, but that will be the number of molecules on your paper. Like, you could go outside and grab your paper and take it to a super high-powered microscope and count all those molecules. It would take you a very long time because it's going to be a really large number, but you could. And this is how many molecules it's going to be.
I don't know, please.
I'm almost done.
Oh my.
Okay, for number 7, you're going to take your answer to number 6. And for number 7, they're asking for atoms of oxygen. This was molecules of CaCO3 up here, and they want just oxygen for number 7. How many oxygens were in calcium carbonate up here? 3. So what you're going to do is the number of molecules, that's all your CaCO3. If you multiply that times 3 atoms of oxygen, that's going to get you the total number of atoms of oxygen that are on your paper in the chalk. Okay, so write that down and go to your stamp page. Go to your stamp page after you write that down. I'll give you a few moments. And then we're going to go to your stamp page.
Miss
Bless
Arson,
you.
can I go to the restroom?
Is your page done?
Yes, ma'am.
Then yes.
Can I get my stamp for
Brendan?
the last page of the
Brendan, come here. Do you know what the phone call's about? Yeah? Okay.
Can I get my stamp for 40 and 41 too? You need more ink?
Ink, I know.
Do you have it?
No. Okay, and 41. Okay. All right, go to your stamp page. By now, you should be done copying that down. Go to your stamp page. And on your stamp page,
Wait, can you go back, please?
hang on a second. Let's do the stamp page first.
Does he match please?
No.
You're gonna get a stamp for page 42. And you're gonna get a stamp today for page 43 as well. You're gonna get a stamp for page 42 and 43. You're gonna get a stamp for 42, whoops, and 43. Okay, so when you finish 42, let us know and we'll stamp you. And then start working on 43. We are going to take a quiz at the end of class. I'm gonna give you 20 minutes to work on all your stamps. And then at the end of 20 minutes, we're gonna warm up specifically for the quiz. Okay, so you have 20 minutes to work on any stamps you don't have done. And then we're gonna warm up for the quiz.
It's 40 and 41.
Okay?
Yes. Sure.
And I got 42.
Let me see. Okay. Thank you. Someone left a pencil up here. I don't know, it's green.
Yours is over there?
Yeah. Okay.
Is it solid?
Okay.
Huh? Is it solid? Solid what? Solid pen.
Thanks.
Nah, bro, it's pencil.